Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about FreshSales CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you sign up and create a FreshSales CRM account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for FreshSales CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business or even a client business, you know that keeping track of all your customers can be overwhelming. So by having a good CRM in place can help increase your conversions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's actually handled in this website, works.com. This is the company that makes FreshSales. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already opened up their website, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create a FreshSales account, you want to click right here, try it free, or try it free right here. Either way, it's going to bring you to the same location. Okay, from time to time, Freshworks runs promotions. So right now they're doing a free 21-day trial, which is what we're going to create our account with today. So you want to go ahead and enter in your first name, your last name, work email, company name, phone number, and then the product, which would be FreshSales. And then continue right here. Or you can go ahead and sign up with your Google login. I don't really like to do that, so I'm going to go ahead and enter this information in off screen. Okay, next, FreshSales is going to ask you a few questions to help set up your account. So they're asking what industry I belong to. I don't really fit into any of these, so I'm going to click down here, other industries, and then I'm going to choose, let's see here, I'll choose internet. Okay, and then get started down here at the bottom. Okay, next it brings me here to my dashboard, but you're not quite finished yet until you click on the email that was sent to you. So that's going to activate your account. So let me go ahead and jump on over to my email and click on that link. Okay, next they're asking me to enter in the password that I like to use, and then click on activate your account. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in off screen. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me here to my FreshSales account. So now I can go ahead and start importing my customers. I can go ahead and start inputting my deals as well. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a FreshSales account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.